how to make him fall in love with you without even him realizing what just happened. Fulfill his needs, not his wants. Hey guys, it's Greta Bereisaite here, dating and relationship coach, and for the best dating and relationship advice, subscribe to my channel and check out the videos which I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. So I bet you thought there wasn't a difference between wants and needs, but there absolutely is. So let's talk about these differences. What are his wants? His wants are an ego stroke. For example, when a man says, I like it when she's opened and tells me how she feels, or says, I love you first, or when he says, I like it when I know everything about her and there is no mystery. I like it when she calls and texts me more. I enjoy it when a woman takes me on holiday. I also like to be spontaneous and see her at the last minute. I love it when she cooks and looks after me. He is not lying that when he says he likes these things and wants women to behave this way. However, all of these things that he wants so badly are just an ego stroke. He won't ever respect, love, or be with a woman who acts like this long term. And you are probably guilty of doing a lot of these things yourself. But how long did your relationship last when you behaved this way with a guy? Not long, did it? And if it did, you were probably taken for granted and unhappy most of it. So why does it happen this way? Well, ladies, for example, I might want to eat junk food and a box of ice cream every single day, but will it fulfill my body's needs? Will I feel good and be happy to continue to eat this way? No, you will not in long term, especially. Ladies, it's exactly the same thing with men. Stroking his ego may make him happy in the short term every now and then, but it won't make him happy long term, and eventually it will make him lose attraction for you. Ladies, I'm not saying to never do these things. I'm saying do them in moderation, only as a treat and not as a main meal. And ladies, if you have behaved as I just mentioned, I really recommend you to watch my video of what to do when he takes you for granted, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in my video description box. Now, what are his needs? Well, let's look at the differences between men and women. Men have high levels of testosterone compared to women, so we have to treat them a bit different from women. Ladies, having more testosterone means that he will be more likely to go for his goals and his dreams. Him pursuing, him hunting, him chasing what he wants in his life. So how can you fulfill this need? Easy. Become his goal. Become a challenge. The object of his attention and affection. Let him come to you. Let him pursue you. Give him uncertainty instead of safety. He might say that he likes a woman who approaches him or give him safety and tries to impress and pursue him. However, this is not what he needs. Give him mystery. Let him figure you out. Let him put the puzzle pieces together. Do not take that pleasure away from him by being an open book. Ladies, please watch my video how to be a challenge for a guy, which you will find just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in my video description box below. And yes, men do need a bit of caring too, which is why I said keep the caring as a treat only. Just don't make his ego stroke into the main meal. Ladies, you can have that ice cream or the chocolate cake sometimes as a treat. Imagine eating it every day. How will it make you feel? Well, the same goes for him. So ladies, if you liked this video, please press like, share it with the ladies who need it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Ladies, have you taken my free test? Are you a high value or low value woman? It's an incredible self-awareness test to find out of which percentage of high value you are. And you can find that test totally free in my video description box below. Also ladies, join Greta's High Value Women's School, which is a private Facebook group where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. I do quite many Instagram lives where I answer your questions free during the live, so make sure to follow me there. Also private, ladies only. And for one-on-one coaching, book me through my website and get in touch with me through WhatsApp, as this is where I coach. So thank you so much for watching, queens. Kisses from London. Mwah.